Guys, so in today's video what we're going to discuss is how to create custom audiences on Facebook Business Manager. Now why to create custom audience? So you can target different people who have already visited your website and you can generate sales out of them. So basically it's 80-20 rule. You always generate more business from your loyal customers. So in order to show your new product services to people who have already bought from you, who have already trusted in your business, so it's always good to create a lookalike audiences or custom audiences, which is called retargeting. So in order to do that, just log on to your Facebook business account. So over here, just click over here, scroll down and go to audiences. So over here you'll see these options. Click on custom audience, select website. So there are a lot of options. I'll show you one by one everything. So just click on website, click next. So use your Facebook Pixel ID, which is already connected to your business account. If you haven't create a link to your pixels with your Shopify or WooCommerce store, please log on to my previous videos. So it's suggested keep it to 180 days. Audience name should be all website visitors. And just create audience. So it'll create a list of people who have bought from you, who have visited your website, and you can retarget them using your Facebook pixel. So this is one audience that we have created. Another could be create a custom audience, and from here you can also upload the data, export your customers, and you can upload that data to target them as well. But I'd like to do is this is basically your hot audience. So use Facebook. So this will include all of those people who have interacted with your with your page from in the last 365 days. So just click over here, Facebook audience, and just create audience. So the other audience we can create is just create on audience, custom audience, click on Instagram. So it will create a list of people who have interacted with your Instagram page, who have visited your page, they have done any sort of interaction with your page in the last 365 days. So over here we'll see just Instagram audience, and we'll just create audience. So these are all your hot audiences. These are those people who already know about your brand, and you're retargeting them again and again to show your new product services, or you're trying to sell them the same product again and again. Now how to create lookalike audiences. So over here just click on lookalike, choose the source. I would choose the same pixels you have integrated with your Shopify store. You'd be able to, you can see this error, you'll be able to create the lookalike audiences if you have a lot of conversions already. Right. So over here just okay, right. So this percentage means how broad you'd like to keep your lookalike audience. I would say, personally, I have generated more results when I keep it to 5% or 10%. But there's some theories, some thoughts behind it. Just keep it to 1%. But I'd suggest just keep it to 5% and let Facebook create a broader number so you can target more people in order to generate sales. So lookalike audiences means create a lookalike audiences similar to those people who have already purchased from you. So over here, once you will click on so once you choose Pakistan and click on create audience, and there you go, your lookalike audiences has already been created. So it's giving me an error because the audience for this page is too small right now, because we have just launched this page. So once you have enough conversions, so this is how you'd be able to create your audiences. So now refer to my previous videos, you can target these all audiences within your same ad set or same campaign, spending the same amount of budget. For instance, you're spending $20, so duplicate your audiences and show different audiences the same artwork, and you know which audience is performing better for you.